Have you ever wondered what really happens when you click that little button that says buy now? You might think it's instant. But behind that single click is a lightning-fast symphony of servers, software, and secure protocols working across the globe just to make your purchase happen. Let's break it down. When you click buy now, your browser sends a request to the e-commerce server, whether it's Amazon, Shopify, or any other platform. This is done using HTTPS, a secure protocol that encrypts your data, so no one can intercept your payment info. Your chosen item, shipping details, and credentials are packed into a structured data packet and sent off. To first stop, order validation. The system checks if the product is still in stock, confirms the shipping location is serviceable, and ensures your user session is authenticated. This all happens in milliseconds. Next comes payment processing, the most critical step. Your payment details are sent to a payment gateway like Stripe, PayPal, or Adyen. That gateway acts like a digital bridge, routing your data securely to the payment processor, who then communicates with your bank or credit card network, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, etc. The bank checks, is your card valid? Do you have enough funds? Are there any fraud flags? If everything looks good, an authorization token is generated and sent back up the chain, bank to processor to gateway to the website, confirming your transaction. At the same time, the site logs in your order and sends the details to the order management system. This backend platform decides which warehouse to ship from, schedules a dispatch, and alerts inventory systems to update the stock in real time. If it's a digital product, a content delivery network might jump in to deliver the file directly to your device, efficiently and securely. Finally, you receive a confirmation email, thanks to transactional email services, and the merchant's database gets updated with a permanent record of your order. All of this, from click to confirmation, usually takes under 2 seconds. 2 seconds for global authentication, financial validation, inventory sync, and logistics planning. That's the power of modern e-commerce architecture. So next time you casually click buy now, remember, you just triggered one of the most optimized digital workflows on the planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell if you want more behind-the-scenes breakdowns like this. And as always, stay curious.